But see, the thing about these big pools are, look at all this surface area. A lot of skimming. This is John's Island, so they're not allowed to have screens. I wish they would cut them freaking palm trees down. They won't though. All right. There's really no grass around here because this is it's the second story. So no grass, just leaves. But you know, what really always helps out is that soap and water trick on top of the surface that I do every time before I come. That always makes this a lot easier. And especially because the water's still. So when it's still like that, it'll push all that stuff to the edge. Yeah, so skimming ain't really that, it's not that bad. It looks like it could be, but when you have a big pool like this, you gotta have a good system about cleaning it, or it could seem overwhelming. One good thing about it is it's a nice, beautiful house, but most of the time no one's here, no one lives here, which is beyond me how I think it's, at least it's not on the market, but last time it was on the market, I think it was a couple years ago, $10 million. So it's probably went up from then, and hardly ever see the owners. Actually, I don't even think I've ever seen the owners. I've seen the owner's son. And of course, I'll see, you know, property manager, person that manages it, does all the cleaning. I see the cleaning lady. I see her more often than anyone else. I used to see the lawn guys, but we had to switch days out because this is John's Island, so you can't really see how you pull in, but it's a one-way driveway and it's off of a street. And with John's Island, you have to pull into people's driveways. Like, you know, they got their own security force over here. And they got their own rules, so you cannot park on the main street. You must be in the client's driveway or the customer's driveway. And since they have a big truck, like it comes around, it goes all the way around, and has a garage underneath the house. But it's only a one-way in, one-way out, and they have a big truck and big trailer, so they pull in and block the whole driveway. And you know, they come in while I'm in here, and I'm locked in, and then I gotta wait till they move. I have to make a move, and I was like, all right, I'm passing by here. Let me just switch days out. Sometimes you have to just do things like that, just to make things easier on everybody, because we're all trying to work. And if I can come on a different day, then it's fine. my truck and trailer is easy. It's small enough that I can pull in and park in the driveway in the front, which leaves room for the cleaning lady to come in. She can park next to me, so. View back there. Time out. Not know what they changed the settings to on the inside. Yeah, this is what I do not like. These. Like, alright, man. That's a lot. Let's bring the cart up. That'll work. Almost 4 gallons, not quite 4 gallons, but yeah, I think this is going to matter. Bringing it up the shock level is just a precaution anyway. Summertime, just don't want any problems. Bringing it up to 10 is great. Alright, back down these freaking stairs. Good 30. Not bad. 30, especially if you consider that I'm getting $50 a stop for this one. Kind of levels out to $50 a stop. 30 minutes, 50. Take away chemicals, not bad. Not a bad stop.